It's one of the things we do for our customers. If there's a customer that's looking for a repair or an overhaul, we're more than happy to look into what it takes to help him, whether it's a actuator, brake, wheel, oxygen bottle. We'll take a look and see if we can get the data and then work that component for that job.
It's time, it's speed, it's that sense of urgency. Again, when a customer is needing that part, the last thing they want to have is the concern of when that part and where that part's going to be coming from.
We started out with the easy items like brakes, and now we ran to hydraulic pumps, actuators. We also have a DOT cylinder requalification station, so we do hydrostatic testing on engine fire bottles, handheld fire bottles, oxygen tanks, that sort of thing.
Because again, it's important in a sense of urgency and time for our customer to have those parts in stock.